Ma'am, right.
Good afternoon all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So,
How are you, ma'am?
let me ask. Elroy, Elroy, do you have pencils with you?
Yes.
Can you show me the pencil? How many pencils are there? Only one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Elroy, keep it down. Elvin, how many pencils are there with you? Only one?
Yes.
Aman having two pencil. Very good. Oh, three are there. Ah, very good, very good. Okay, okay. Aman, you have more pencil, no? So, okay, okay, okay. You do one thing. Take two green pencils. You have two green pencils, no? Others, please be quiet. I will ask you. I will ask you. Okay. Show me the pencil. Show me the pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, a man having two pencils, but both having same height, no? Same length, no?
Yes.
What about the other pencil? Show me the other pencil, yellow color.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it together. Show me. Three having equal length. Yes?
I have two pencils.
Okay, okay. That red pencil, show me.
Ma'am, having
Properly?
three pencils.
It's okay. It's okay. I want to see the pencil. It's a height only I want to see. Means it's length only I want to see. Yeah. See, do one thing. You take one red pencil and yellow pencil. The remaining green, you keep it down. Red and yellow. See, all of you listen here. I'm having two pencils. Which color? One is yellow and one is red. Aman, can you tell me something about these pencils? Anything? One is a yellow color.
One is small.
Ah, very good. One is small, one is big. How you said it is big and small? You compare the pencils, no? You compare the pencils. You compare its length. You compare its length. Keep it properly. Keep it properly. Both pencil. Okay, very good, very good. So yellow is longer. Yes. Red is uh, shorter. Here we are comparing its length. Okay. Here we are comparing its length. One is longer, another one is shorter. Okay. Here yellow pencil is longer than red pencil. Yellow pencil is longer than red pencil. Or we can say a red pencil is smaller than or shorter than yellow pencil. Okay, Aman. Now, Elvin also having two pencil. Very good.
Yes.
Oh, let me call.
Four pencils.
Yes, okay, four pencils. Now, Elvin, show me the pencil.
In four pencils.
Okay. I need only
Yes,
two
ma'am.
pencils. I need only two pencils. Okay, Elvin, show me the pencil. Pencils. One is the green and one is yellow. So, can you tell me something about these pencils?
One is green, one is
Very
blue.
good. You are saying it's a color. One is green and one is yellow. Very good. What about its length?
Blue is long.
Very good. Blue is long and yellow, green is short. Okay. Here we can compare its length. So we can say green is shorter than blue pencil.
Green is
Okay.
shorter than
Blue pencil, or we can say blue pencil is longer than green pencil. Okay.
blue pencil is longer
Longer
than
than green pencil. So Here we are.
Green pencil.
Here we are studying the measurements. What is the meaning of this measurement? Means we are finding something.
Two pencil.
We are finding the quantity of something. And here we are comparing first the length of the objects. Okay, ma'am also bring two pencils for showing. Okay, and I also having two pencils with me, and you can see one is short, another one is long. Here we are comparing. So this pencil is longer and this pencil is shorter. Okay, so one is longer compared to the other, or we can say one is shorter compared to the other. Now you understood the concept, longer and shorter? Longer and shorter, you understood?
Yes.
Can you show me something like that, objects other than pencil, other than pencil? Lakshana having some sketch pens. And she is putting, okay, let me. See, Lakshana is showing her sketch pens and she took its top, no? So now it became one big and one shorter and one longer. Very good, very good. You understood, no, the concept, longer and shorter? Ah, very good. Allah is showing something. Okay, Allah, very good. Okay, Allah, show me the scales. Allah, show me the scale. Keep it properly together. Base should be, okay, very good. So one is, tell me about your scale. Tell me.
Bigger than.
No. Compare its length. Compare its length. Show me properly. Together. Keep it together. Very good, very good. Okay. This colored one is short. Very good. What about the other one? Long. Very good, very good. So one is short and another one is long. Or we can compare, one is longer than the other, or one is shorter than the other. Okay, Allah, very good, very good. Now let me see. Fardeen, Johan is ready with some sanitizer bottles. Okay. Now you all have many things with you, huh? Very good. Tell me something about this, Johan. Blue color is there, white color is there, no? So tell me, which one is long and which one is shorter? Blue. Everyone is taking one or the other objects. Very good. Blue is, Johan, tell me, blue one is?
Longer.
Longer. Very good. What about the white?
Shorter.
Very good. It is shorter. Now,
Fardeen.
What?
Fardeen.
Okay. Okay, Fardeen, show me. You have scale? You have scale? Only one or two are there?
Two.
Two are there. Then show me. Separate it and show me. Separate it and show me. Show me the two pencil separately. Pencils, okay. Other, you show me the scale, no? Show me the scale once again. Do we have two scale or only one?
One scale.
It's okay. Only one, okay? If you have to compare, we need two objects. Okay, Fardeen? We have to. Here we can say this scale is longer than pencil. Okay. The scale is longer than pencil. Very good, very good. Okay. Now let me check others. Ishan Krishna is also having some sharpener.
Yes.
Let me check. Okay. Show me the sharpeners. Can you tell me about this sharpeners?
Blue is big.
One is blue color, another one is green color. What about its length?
Blue
is it short or long?
Green is short. Blue is
Keep it
long.
together. Keep it together. Together you keep. Here we can see both having equal length, no? Both having equal length.
Yes.
See here, not at all clear, I think, but something, I think it is equal and the height is also equal. So equal objects are there. Okay. So today we are studying longer and shorter. Okay. Longer and shorter. Here we are comparing only two pencils. Now if you are comparing more than two pencils, what we will do? See, I having three pencils. I have three pencils. See, I have three pencils. So here we will say longest and shortest. Longest and shortest. In these three pencils, this is shortest and this is longest. Okay. Anybody can show three? Very good. Ritik Sunil is bringing something. Okay.
Ma'am, Sisa.
Just 1 minute, Shisa. How many? Two are there. Okay. Tell me something about this. Two bottles are there. Very good. Which is longer and which is shorter? Green color is, or green bottle is? Longer.
White color is
White bottle is
white bottle is
Shorter. Very good. Very good. Okay. Can you show three, more than two objects? Two more. Abel CB having something? Abel having only. Abel, show me. Three are there? Video is not clear, I think. What do you have? Tell me. Scale?
Scale.
Okay. Okay. I can see only two. One is red and another one white color. You have three? Okay. Taking another one.
Pen.
She's having pens.
Pen.
Okay. Tell me, Abel, which is longest and which is shortest?
This is a longer. This is
Which
a
color
shorter.
which color is longest? Which color is longest? The
Silver.
video is not
Silver.
clear. That's why. Okay. Tell me.
Silver.
Silver color. Silver color is longest and which is shortest?
Ma'am, white color is shorter.
Okay, okay. Very good, April. Very good. Okay. Now,
Blue color
let
is
me see.
longer.
Okay,
Black
okay, okay.
color is shorter.
Okay.
Green color is
I will take. Let me.
too
Okay, Shisa,
short.
show me. Show me your pencils or sketch pen. Three are there. Very good. Which one is shortest and which one is longest?
This is a longer.
Blue color is. Blue color is longest. And green color is shortest. Very good. Very good. So, okay. Now all of you understood the concept longer, shorter, longest, shortest. Okay. Longer.
Able CB.
Able CB. Able CB, what do you have to show? Show me.
Ritik Sunil.
Ritik still having spoons.
Sharpener.
Sharpener. Okay, sharpener. That having equal length? No, no. Red having more length. Okay, okay. Ritik, show me the spoons.
Yes.
Show me three. Okay, very good. Which one is longest and which one is shortest?
Sharpener.
Very good. This is longest. And show me the shortest. Very good. That is the shortest. Okay. So now, very good. Very good. So now you understood the concept. What is longest and shortest? Okay. Able CB. Show me. Show me. You have books. Okay. Having only two books or three books?
Yes. Two books.
Two books. Show me. Show me the books.
One book is a green. This is a short.
Very good.
This is a
Yellow,
this is
almost
a
yellow
long,
color something. So
this
that
is
is
a
long,
short.
longer, and other one is shorter. Okay, Babel CB. Very good.
Short.
So now you understood the concept. No longer, shorter, longest, shortest. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you want to see one video? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay then.
Yes.
Let me take you. Please take your notebook.
Mommy, have two books.
Yes, tell me.
We have two books.
Each one having two books. Okay, which one is longer and
Ma'am.
which one is shorter?
White is longer. Blue is shorter.
Okay. Just Shamisha? Shamisha? Once again. Which one is longer?
White.
White is longer. Blue is short.
Blue is shorter.
Okay, very good, very good. Just we can start in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let us write. Chapter 8. C H A P T E R. Chapter 8.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Wait.
C H A P T E R. Chapter 8.
E-R 8. Chapter 8. Right.
The name of the chapter is Measurements. And the spelling is M A S U R E M E N T S.
A-S-U-R
E
E-M
A S R E M E N T S. Measurements.
Finish.
Let others also complete it. Chapter 8, Measurements. Chapter 8, Measurements. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. M-E-N-T-S. Measurements.
Stop. Ma'am, please stop.
M-E-A-S-U-R-E-M-E-N-T-S. Measurements. And the first topic is longer, shorter. L-O-N-G-E-R. Longer, hyphen, S-H-O-R-T-E-R. Shorter.
Ma'am, please stop. Ma'am, please stop.
Are you ready with the notebook? L-O-N-G-E-R. Longer, hyphen, S-H-O-R-T-E-R. Shorter.
Shorter. Ma'am, I shall complete.
L-O-N-G-E-R. Longer, S-H-O-R-T-E-R. Shorter. Only did you complete the spelling? Long or shorter?
Yes. Ma'am, stop. Ma'am, please stop. Incomplete.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's incomplete.
Okay, Ishan. So let us do tomorrow. We have to draw pencils.
Ma'am, no finish, ma'am.
That's better, no? Otherwise, it will take time. So we will do it in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let me stop sharing.
I have two pencils.
Who is having two pencils? Who is able and having two pencils? Show me the pencils and which one is longer and which one is shorter. Longer one. Show me the longer one. Very good. Show me the shorter one. Show me the shorter one. Very good. Very good.
Please, good share.
I should share the screen. Okay, I will share the screen once again. See, you bring tomorrow some objects and show me. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, right?
No. Only this much for today. We will continue in the next class. Okay. It's time to ending the session today. So how was the video? It was nice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you for joining. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.